So we arrive at Konkan Zoo. Welcome. Welcome Center. We can see it. Look there. It's sleeping.
Where?
It's sleeping. You can see it.
No, where?
Okay. Look in the middle. You have little building, and then on top you have white.
Oh, yeah.
You see it?
What?
Oh, it's still sleeping.
What?
Ryan, look. It's there. It's there. It's there.
Where?
There. It's
White,
there.
white.
That's it.
White and white.
Yeah, that's it. Look this way. Look, big lion. Ooh. And we have a tiger sleeping. What's tiger doing? Is he sleeping?
This.
It makes sound of snoring. Wow. Look.
What are you there? Papa, people.
Hippo here. Oh, hippo this way. And back onto the firma. So we've just come from the skywalk up there, and now we're back on ground level, and you can see the giraffe. Just look how big they are compared to the zebra.